Kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Heg Korean Sandwich for sending us their products. As of now, sa menu po nila, they have 4 different variants for their egg sandwiches. Now, mga egg sandwiches po are becoming popular because of K-pop culture. So, yung mga owners po natin dito has experienced these kinds of snacks or dishes personally first-hand sa Korea. So, they have an idea kung how was it really eating yung mga ganitong pagkain. Take a look at our dishes naman dito. Tingnan nyo naman sila, guys. They are really, really beautiful. Now, at the end of the day, of course, isang factor pa rin sa mga decision natin kung bakit tayo bumibili ng pagkain, yung lasa. So, let's taste them one by one. So, the name of these variants are very clever. So, let's start with this one. It's called Heg Sighting. So, meron siyang spam, bacon, and scrambled egg. The second one is called Heg Sakto. It has premium sliced ham and scrambled egg. So, yung pangalo naman natin, they call it Heg Yarn. So, it has scrambled egg and hard-boiled egg. And then the last one is called Bacon Naman. Bacon Naman. So this one has strip of bacon and of course scrambled egg. Now, lahat ng mga bread po natin or yung pinaka-base natin are home-baked bread, freshly baked bread ng mga owners natin. And of course, meron tayong egg sauce and the cheese. So those are staple all across the 4 variants. So let me start with this one. Wow! Ang laki ng size. It's a little bit heavy. Parang isang serving lang nito ay parang kompleto na siya for your meal. Ang sarap, guys. So, my take, guys, yung pinaka-bread niya, number 1, it really stands out. Ang sarap. It's a little bit sweet. And then yung pinaka-bread natin is moist. I wanna taste this one. This Heg Sakto. Oh, again, the size is really big. Wow. Sarap ng bread. Promise, guys. Promise. I can imagine you guys eating this one while watching your K-drama. Guys, last for me to taste is yung kanilang Bacon Naman. Different siya with the other variants natin. This has mushroom on top of it. I wonder, this is gonna be so satisfying. Ayun, guys, my take, presentation wise, it's 10 stars. Double thumbs up. Napakaganda po ng presentation nila. Taste wise, number 1, I gotta commend their bread. Sobrang sarap po ng bread nila. Like I said, it's moist, it's not dry, it's not the typical, like the egg sauce, and also like the cheese na sobrang lasa, guys. Taste this one. If you want to experience this one, make sure to check out. Here's their menu. And the fan page will be included dun sa caption po natin. Make sure to call them out. Available po sila as of now via online order and delivery. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. And I hope to see you in the next one.